today, and I'm just running some parts, as you can see. So what's going on in 2022? Well, so far this year it's been kind of crazy. Ended up having COVID. My wife had COVID, so it's been kind of crazy. Nothing really serious so far, but it has been kind of draining me a little bit, and I haven't really been out in the shop doing much. Currently I'm running some parts, as you can see. It's kind of loud in here, but yeah, I just wanted to give you an update. What's going to be happening here in 2022? Well, I continually find a reason not to have any time to do anything. So I'm not really sure. Hopefully I'm going to get back on this linear rail conversion. I really want to get that knocked out and get that machine up and running. And I got to work on these ATCs. A lot of people are asking about the ATCs, and I just haven't had time to really work on them any more than I have been. The current design is fully tested and it's working well. So we'll see what's going to happen this year. Hopefully we'll have some ATCs available for those interested in those, and hopefully I'll get this linear rail conversion finished up. So stay tuned for that. There's probably some other little videos that'll get thrown in throughout the year. I don't know that I'm going to be posting a video once a week this year. It's just a lot going on. If you guys have any suggestions or any questions about any of the setup that I run or anything like that, post some video comments in the video, and I'll try to get a video or answer some of those questions. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't. If you got any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you liked the video, and most importantly, be safe.